Kung tayo ay matanda na, sana di tayo magbago.
Kailan na niya? Pumunta ka na doon. Kaya hindi naman may bigyan ng mga kasama natin eh.
Nasa malito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kaya ako'y naghanap yakapin.
Translate.
Hanggang sa
I will translate. The message of the song is all about, will you still love me even when we get grow old? Even my hair is get gray? That's the message of the song. At least you know. Even my hair gets gray. Kahit maputi, puti is white. Yeah, that's the meaning of the song. Will you still love me even when we get grow old? Even my hair gets gray. Yeah, when your hair gets gray, we'll grow old together. Whatever past that happened to me, we will bring it back. Translate that. I will keep it to remember to you that what I have promised you, that my vow to you, my promise, I will do it. Even though my hair get gray, even though I get old, that's the meaning. Did I translate it well? Did I translate it well? Yaya Joel? Bubog ka na po, no? Ayan. Whatever past that we have, we will bring it back. I will make a way for you to remember that whatever I have promised you, I will do it. Even though I get old and my hair gets gray. Even though hair gets gray hair, they'll love you. Yeah.